Betty, you can't even see it on ya. You cannot even see it on her. You can't see it on the camera. I'll fill them holes in with oh my god, there's spiders everywhere. The more I look down, there is. I've just seen about 4.
Where?
One, you know them ones with like skinny legs.
Yeah.
One crawling by your hand just now. Starting part 1. It's going up.
Is it?
This green stuff doesn't help the situation. Take that off. So don't just stuck it on in now. Move that bit on top there. And load. See if that does anything. Trying to start a fire with damp wood just doesn't work. Well, it does work, it just takes a little bit longer, I guess.
See how that goes.
Flame. Bigger than the original flame. It's going better, isn't it? You in? Right? Right? What? 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 You're gonna act good on camera, are you? You're gonna act good on camera, are you? What? You slack, you break them trees. Stop whinging, doggy. Still whinging. You're probably wondering what the hell are we doing, but then.
Just getting ourselves a little bushcraft area together, really, little somewhere we can escape from
Reality.
day-to-day life and the electronics, and you know, just be out there in nature sort of thing. Covered by some beautiful trees in the middle of the woods. Like, marked out a little area for our tent for next weekend. Made a little fire pit, little stone one, so the fire won't spread.
We are literally in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Alright, so like if anyone says, oh, you shouldn't be there, we are literally in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, our fire's going well now as well.
Yeah, you're not going to see us from any road, you're not going to see us from any path, we're not on anyone's land, we are literally in the middle of nowhere.
Right.
And it took us a while to find this place, but we found it. And we're going to just set up, not a little base, if that makes, like, we're not going to take over.
No,
but it's just somewhere that we can come back to, you know, tidy up after ourselves. Obviously, once we're finished,
like obviously as the wild campus code goes, leave no trace.
Yeah.
But in this case, it's so dense, so far out, we're going to leave
a little, like,
such as the fire pit, obviously.
Yeah, no, rubbish obviously is going to be taken. But when it comes to like bushcraft kind of stuff, then, you know, we'll be leaving traces of that, but not traces of that we're staying here, if that makes sense.
So far off the beaten track, any houses, not as if we're going to bother anyone or anyone's going to bother us, sort of thing. I mean, I doubt anyone's even going to see that smoke, because I mean, you look up, it's just dense trees, like, no one's going to see that.
So yeah, the only traces that we are going to leave you is the fact that we've built a little thing, a little fire pit. I do want to build like a little bushcraft like hut kind of thing, not like sleep hut, but just a little hut. I've always wanted to give it a go, and why not? Won't sleep in it because I'm petrified of spiders. This enough is like freaking me out, but I'm pushing through it because I'm fed up of being stuck in the house, and you know, I want to live my best life, and going outside in nature is living my best life.
Living my best life, babe.
Living my best life, babe. Living my best life. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, living my best life. Live my best life for my BFFFFL. Okay, so yeah, do you reckon we should start a new channel? Because obviously we're going to be doing this as much as we can. Weekends, in and out of work. Next weekend we're going to come stay down here. We are wanting to plan a trip to Snowdonia.
Yeah.
The Brecons we want to get to as well. We've done the Gower Walk, but we are thinking about finishing it because we only got halfway. Gower Walk's that big that you can literally, it takes you about, what I'd say, about 3-4 days, would you say?
It depends how fit you are. I'd probably do it in about 2 days.
Yeah, we don't fit though.
Yeah, probably 3-4
days. Take us about 3-4 days to do it. We done one day. We got to by Oxwich area, and that's where we finished.
Oh,
so no, it was by Oxwich, but yeah. So yeah, we are wanting to do this quite often. So the question is, do I upload on my main channel, or do I make a brand new channel for all this kind of thing? Because I've already got everything set up on my channel. It's just whether or not everyone's going to direct over to that channel. I don't know. I will get. And just to show, this is how dense in we are. This is, I'm pretty sure this is anyway, the way to get there. We're in there. Am I going the right way? Come on on. Come on on. So that's all old brambles, overgrown. What you up to?
It's white.
Why? Come on. Stamp it. Sign the terms very quick. Can I compete?
My nomination. My attempt at the famous Mr. Wales can stamp, like Mr. Wild Wales can stamp.
I reckon I could do it.
Tell Ruth, he ain't got shit on my can stamp, eh?
I reckon I could do it. I got pretty strong legs. Like, can you just do it?
I got the proper old Carmier XMT boots on her, see? So proper jobbies.
Go on, do it, like that.
Those people boots.
Oh no, see, I know.
Proper.
I don't know. I got a pretty strong leg. We need another Y. Can I go cut this Y up?
I think that'll be right. Right. This is my go for the Mr. Wild Wales. Can't stomp. Let's see if we can get it up there. Is it on the tables?
Oosh.
Oosh. Oh.
Ah, nah.
Knackered it, man.
2.
Oh yeah, no, I'm definitely giving that a 2. I don't even think I give it a 2. One and a
Fail.
half. 1.5.
Fail.
So we'll have a few more then next week, hopefully. Give it a go. But this
Nice.
week
So that's about a 3.
No,
You've got the bottom bit. You've got the bottom
I
bit. What
know.
do you reckon?
Yeah, you let us know.
out of 10.
Mr. Wild Wales and all this crew. One girl and a dog, all that, let us know. Because I'm personally putting it down to a 1.5.
Yeah. Check it in the bag. Yeah, so from Saturday, no, we're on Friday. Friday innit?
Friday night?
Yeah, Friday night. So you'll see it Saturday. This will be our home for the night. I'm looking forward to it. The last time we went camping was, when did we go with Finn and Ty?
That was at the...
That was Margam Wild Camp.
Yeah, the one in Portal, but there was a wild camp in actual site. It was, what was the name of the place?
Oh, I can't remember. I've got it on, it's on YouTube somewhere.
It's not a pub. Who's sitting on the pitch right then, who?
I want to go bed now. Go bed. Go get a treat.
Yeah, go get some treats.
I'll have to bring you some treats when I.
Yeah, definitely a toy and some treats in a pub.
You're going to attempt Tricky's first night with us as well Saturday.
Camping.
See how she goes. Dan's a bit... He's not about too fussed now. He's a bit like... but I reckon she'll be alright. She's got us. She's got the security of us. She's going to have the blankets and I'll bring her some toys and treats. I reckon she'll be okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, the last time we went camping... Summer last year, was it?
Must have been.
Summer last year?
Yeah, I think it was. It was that time that I was going through.
It was that before. No, it was around November time, because I was working in Valley Mill.
Yeah, no, I think you're
So
right.
yeah, around November time.
Anyway, we'll start making tracks and go from there.
Yeah, so we'll see you
Friday.
Friday. Well, probably see you before that. I do need to record. I'm trying to get my thing back. Trying to get a record, but if not, then we will see you back here Friday. Peace.